Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the October 2019 Electronics Engineering Boards, Engineering Mathematics, and this came from Advanced Mathematics. So ang tanong dito is, what is the third term of the power series expansion of e raised to x? So if we are dealing with power series, most likely, ang gagamitin talaga natin dito is yung Maclaurin series, in which kapag ang Maclaurin series kasi is a special case of Taylor series in which its center is at a equals 0. So kapag sa Maclaurin mga Lodi cakes, so the function f of x in any form, kahit exponential man yan, trigonometric, algebraic, can be written as the summation of the nth derivative at x equals 0 and x raised to n all over n factorial from n is equal to 0 up until infinity. So ito po yung special case ni Taylor series which is Maclaurin na ang center ay 0. So Sir IJ, what if naman Taylor? So ito yung Maclaurin guys At least malaman natin yung difference. So Maclaurin is under lang siya ng Taylor series. So kapag sa Taylor series naman guys, so we have f of x equals the summation from n equals 0 up until infinity ng fn at a ito mga Lodi cakes ha. Don't forget. So we have x minus a raised to n all over n factorial. So this is now the Taylor series. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, kaya naging 0 naman to mga Lodi cakes kasi 0 yung ano natin, center. Dito naman, a yung center natin. So kapag power series ng isang function, gagamitin natin si Maclaurin guys. Okay? So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? We are looking for the third term. So ibig sabihin, the third term is in terms of the summation. So kailangan natin kunin yung the n derivative. So at n equals 0, so parang as it is lang muna siya kasi wala pa naman eh. So we have f of x equals e raised to x. So wala pa naman tayong kukuning derivative. So we will just substitute 0 here. So e raised to 0 is equal to 1, which means na yung first term nito is equal to 1. How about the second term, Sir IJ? So the second term, sorry guys, baka kasi na I forgot to mention, na i-include natin dito yung times x raised to 0 over 0 factorial in which this is equal to 1. Kasi baka sabihin nyo, kinalimutan ni Sir IJ ito. I'm sorry. So it must be included kasi kasama siya dun sa term natin. So for the second term, so we have f prime of x in which it won't be changed because e raised to x is an exponential function in which yung derivative niya equal sa sarili niya. So that is equal to e raised to 0, guys. That is equal to 1 multiplied by, since yung next natin is the first derivative na. So we have n equals 1, so we have x raised to 1. Kung mapapansin nyo yung n, ginawa ko ng 1, ang start natin ay 0, all over 1 factorial. So that is equal to x. Kasi 1 divided by 1 is 1 times x. So that is equal to x. That means na yung letter B na x is the second term. It's not the third term. So computing for the third term, which is the second derivative now, so that is still e raised to x. E raised to 0, that is 1. However, we will multiply it by x squared all over 2 factorial. Kumbaga, third term, 2 factorial. Fourth term, 4 factorial yung ilalim. Fifth term, pang ilang term to? Third term, 2 factorial. Pag fourth term, 3 factorial. Pag fifth term, 4 factorial, etc. Okay? So we have x squared over 2 factorial. Kapag ginumpit naman natin si fourth term, ang makukuha natin is x cubed over 3 factorial. So itong letter D is the fourth term. So the final answer for the given problem is letter C, which is x squared over 2 factorial or simply equal to x squared over 2. So ano po ba yung ibig sabihin niyan, Sir IJ? When it comes to this type of problems, kailangan ang importante lang, kabisado nyo po yung form or yung pinaka-summation form ng Maclaurin at ng Taylor. At the same time, marunong tayong kumuha ng basic derivatives. Kasi kapag ganito, medyo mahirap mag-calculator technique dito kasi nga, you are looking for a specific term. So if ever you have questions or clarifications, guys, don't forget to comment on the comment section. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes and have a great day. Bye-bye!